What's up, everybody? So, still working on this KX. Okay, we had the problems of it not running, so I hadn't really ordered a rebuild kit for the carb, and we'll try to see if that works. But this weekend, so I really wanted to go to practice, and between my wife and my dad's help, the cool thing is we got this brand new 2024 Husky TC250. So, a cool thing about it, I mean, it looks good. Well, the fuel injected two-stroke's pretty cool. So, I was pretty pumped. I was super excited. I was like, hell, I'm actually get to go try to ride this weekend. And crazy thing is to get home, and I go to put it on it to see what I think of it. It started fine. I made it about a half a lap in my little backyard, and it died. And it will not start, and I don't know why. So we are about to load it back up and take her back to the dealership and have them fix it, because nobody thinks 1 minute on a damn motorcycle is fine and they're okay with it. So I'm gonna have them fix the damn thing, and we will try that again, and hopefully it works. I'm pretty stoked on it. But yeah, no, that's what we're up to now. So just waiting on parts and waiting on to get this thing fixed already. Brand new, who would have guessed? But no, I'll let y'all know what I find out on that stuff too, and we'll go from there. Catch y'all later.